Hello, my fellow wonderful creative. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, please do well to subscribe. Thank you. Now let's get into this video without further ado. Let's dive into it right now. So what you do first, the size I used was click on new, and the size I used was this was the size I used. Here's it. Click on create. Then I'll just go. This is the resources I use. Just drag and drop this here. This is actually very simple and easy to do design, which will not take much of your time. Click on this, then just go bring in the. This was the model I used. Just drag and drop the three models here. Click again, and click again so that the three will appear. Now let's start the arrangement. But first, what I'll do is go to my solid color, and I'll just pick this color from here, take it down. Why I added this? Because I want to make it make it an artboard. Click on OK. So you can see I made it an artboard because I want to bring in the design. Now let's go to my design. So this is the design. Drag and drop it here. Click on enter. Like I've been seeing exactly what I'm doing. Then let's start with the arrangements. This will be in the front. Yeah, this is our professor, only one financial expert we are currently having in Nigeria. Alright. Now I will bring this here, but I will Ctrl T, press Ctrl T, then left click or right click. I don't know which one is left or right, I don't know anyone. Then they'll show you this. Click on, so what I press, this flip horizontal. That's what I press to make it like this. Then I'll move it here. I want all of them to have like the head position. I don't want it to, let me show you what I'm saying, like a hand. I don't want any of the head positions to pass this line. So I'll just, I think this one is even too big, it's too high, so I'll take it down. Also this, I'll also take it down to I could see space to write the happy birthday, and this I will just like that bring it here. So yeah, let me click on this one, then click on Ctrl A. Let me centralize it. Yeah, Ctrl D to deselect it. So it's actually centralized right now. Or let me move it manually with my arrow key. I want it to yes, I want it to be like this center here. This line, I want the head to be in this center of this line. So I'll move it with my bracket key. And yeah, that's how I have it. So next let me check if I can get the exact size. Ctrl Z. This is the grid. Let me check if I can get the, I think I still have to bring it down, but let me leave it like this first. Then I'll go and write the happy birthday, happy blessed birthday. Just bring in my text and write your happy blessed birthday. And I change the color to white. I increased the, I think I changed this font here was, I think bricolage. I don't know, I think I probably should be up. Okay, it's not up. Okay, is up already. Look at it here, Bricolage. So this was the font I used, Bricolage semi bold. Let me change it to regular, and I'll scale it down and space it, space it, space it. Because of this spacing, I'll just change it to bold. I did extra bold. Okay, Control A to centralize it, then Control D. I think I over spaced it, but does not matter. Control D. Now I'll click on this new layer here, this panel, click on it and add a new text and write Gege, G-E-H-G-E-H. So I'll write the text. So this is the text, and the font I used in the text was Call Sans. Call Sans was the name of the font I used. Yeah, Call Sans. So I'll just search it. Call. So look at it. This is the font I use, Call Sans, and with this spacing here, I'll change it to 0. I will increase the size of it to be very, very large, like very, very large. Yeah, this is it, Gege, and I will take it to the back of the both of them, so we have something like this. Yeah, then I'll Control J to duplicate it and take it to the front, then bring it to this under. We can have something like this. Then next, I will click on this new layer and click on G on your keyboard. When you click on G on your keyboard, this gradient part will show, and hold your shift. Then you hold and drag on your keyboard. Hold and drag. Oh, it's not showing because I made it to be showing in the back. So just drag to the front, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, but I'll delete it and click on the new layer again. Make sure it's in the front of it. Then hold your shift. If you don't hold your shift, you can see it. But if you hold your shift, you straighten it for you. Hold your shift and just drag and yeah, so I think this is okay. The next thing I'll write in the happy birthday. The font I used with that happy birthday is Autograph. That's right here. And the font I used was Autograph. Let me look for it. A-U-T. This was the font I used, Autograph. Regular. I will scale it down. Let me make it to 16. This is too small. I will increase the size. Okay. Then I'll make it to be small letters. Then I'll just make the starting in the capital letter. Hold your shift and A, shift H, then highlight it, shift B, and you can see this happy birthday. So this is not the autograph I used. I think A-U-T-O. Yes, this is the one I used. This one here, this autograph. You can see, look, this is the font. This one, look at the font here. Autograph, GRAF is GRAF. This one. Anyway, Control A and centralize it. Control D. I'll take it up a little bit so I can write you Prof. Gege. Perhaps and space it if you space. Yeah, you can see this. You can see it, Prof. Gege. This is the Prof Gigi, and Control A, Control A, centralize it. Control D to deselect it. Okay, so the font I used here was Alien Among Us. See it, Alien Among Us. And I think this is actually even better safe. The way this one is so small, I think I will prefer this. Then now click on Ctrl V to paste the color code. So this was the color palette. I actually got it from the dress. This dress here, I got the color from the dress. Click on OK, and you have something like this, but you can see this white stuff. So click on FX, satin, and it's already even showing by itself. So this was what I did, and let me explain this how I made it. So I click on satin, then this I pressed here. This you actually select anyone. You can go to the different one, but I added white, so you can select white from here. Do the color you want. Because if I change the color, how it's gonna look. So this was not a particular satin I used. This is the particular contour I used. Then I leave the distance at. I copy my setting here. Angle -21, distance. You can see it. Actually reduce the size and opacity 56, and this was how I created this. You can actually do well to like play with this contour, but play with this satin, but make sure you are using it. How would I say it? Make sure you don't use it anyhow, because this can actually spoil your work and it can actually make your work look more beautiful. So when you are using it, just master it. This is actually a very great tool inside Photoshop. And if you want to do a text effect. So we are almost done. Let me bring in the. Okay, I use this. Just added it to the shirts. Just fill the size down and click on Ctrl U to place saturation. I'll Ctrl J, duplicate it, then Ctrl T, I'll scale it down. And do it here. Then I'll bring in this light effect. Change it to collarbone, and I will reduce how you change the way I place it, and make Ctrl J to duplicate it again and place it in this other part. Yes, so this was how I created this design. I hope you have learned something from it today, and if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.